Hello again, Year 4. It's Miss Samra here, as you know. So, today is the day, lesson 4. Every 30 seconds, so you'll need to stop my teaching video, go back to the slides, time yourself 30 seconds, and click next and write down the missing word every 30 seconds, and they disappear just like magic. Hopefully you remember all 6 words. Okay, so today's learning. So Wellbeing Check is lots of pages from the book that we've been looking at this week. I'm going to read it to you. Some of them have been cropped, unfortunately. I am very sorry. But hopefully, guys, you have a copy of it already, or you've looked into getting your own, or you listened to the YouTube video of the book being read. So let's see. Do you have any other advice? Asked the boy. Don't measure how valuable you are by the way you are treated, said the horse. What will become of us? Asked the boy. We will become kinder, said the horse. What do you think of fame? Asked the boy. And I can't see the page, I'm really sorry. And then the middle one says, everyone is a bit scared, said the horse, but we are less scared together. Yesterday I was weak and you carried me. Today you are weak, said the boy. So that's really lovely, these lovely little messages. And the horse is so wise and so calm. It's a very lovely book. And I hope you guys have read it and will read it, maybe. Read it over and over again, hopefully. So, onomatopoeia. What does this word mean? If you're not sure, watch this video. Onomatopoeia is when we use words to describe a sound. This is a revision task. Complete the grid using onomatopoeia words. Can you challenge yourself and use alliteration too? So you've got this grid on the pupil portal, getting a paper cut. What sound words will you use for that? Ouch, maybe? Or oops and ouch. Door slamming, fire engine, sneezing, cow on a farm. We all know what cow does on a farm. Kids playing games, tearing paper, a chick, a horse galloping, drinking water, strong winds, football in a net. And the bottom one is ringing a bell, ding dong. Oh, doorbell, sorry. Ding dong, alliteration there. I'm sure you guys will come up with loads. Now, this is practice. So this page is something you will do in your groups with your teacher. We are going to be writing our own poems. We are going to write about kindness, gratitude, and resilience. So altogether, you're going to write 3 poems, and they have to have at least 6 lines in each. But we need to make sure we are using the correct features of language so they stand out. This week, we have looked at similes, metaphors, alliteration, abstract nouns, and onomatopoeia. Now it's our chance to try and apply that to our writing. I know you guys can do this. But before we do that, let's look at this picture. I've learned how to be in the present. How? Asked the boy. I find a quiet spot and I shut my eyes and breathe. That's good. And then? Then I focus. What do you focus on? Cake, said the mole. And as we all know, the mole absolutely loves cake. So can you write down a simile and metaphor about the boy and the mole? Can you write an onomatopoeia with alliteration to describe the mole being present? Can you describe how the mole is feeling using abstract nouns? I know one for sure, and that's hungry, especially if he's thinking of cake. Okay, let's move on. So this is your revision task, and you'll be doing this with your teacher. Here are some good examples of what your poems could look like. So this is about, these 2 are about love. So it's in that similar format of our happiness one and the feelings one we did yesterday. Love is kindness. It smells like cotton candy clouds. It tastes like ice cream drizzled in sauce. It sounds like melted chocolate splashing on my spoon. It feels like sitting beside a fire toasting marshmallows. Love is in my heart. So I think that was a lovely one. Your main task. Write a short poem about kindness, and then another one about resilience, and then another one about gratitude. You can write each one on one piece of paper, or you can get creative and write one on a different shape. So you can have, maybe for kindness, you can have a rectangle. Maybe for resilience, you can have a circular shape. Maybe for gratitude, you can have a square. Okay, it's completely up to you. There is a template on the Pupil Portal that you can use if you wish. If not, and you don't have a printer, get creative. Once you're done, upload all 3 poems to Class Dojo. Remember though, you need to include similes, metaphors, alliteration, abstract nouns, and onomatopoeia. This is the structure, just so you have some help there. So I know it's hard sometimes. So you would write kindness here. Kindness is like. Kindness is. So you would end it like that. Then you would do another poem, resilience. Resilience is like, and then you would do resilience is after filling all of those in. Okay, good luck, Year 4. And if you wish to perform your poetry after you have uploaded it, feel free to watch Michael Rosen teach you some tips and have a go. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you guys produce.